from Newcastle. Yeah, my little calf. I just don't think that's going to happen. I was like, I have been close.
I said, you're still not funny. I was saying I'm not laughing.
I thought you actually said, well, she's still not been to me yet. And I was thinking,
and that is true, and that's true.
6 minutes to warm up and then 30 minutes. That's me. 6 minutes to warm up and then 30 minutes time.
oh my God.
Yes, set.
Quick, Jess, quick. Oh, look at that touch.
Turn and face this mannequin, get up to touch.
Oh, what a touch, Hazard.
Good. Around. Good.
No, Twinkle Toes is back. Liverpool. She started that second.
Nice and quick now, speed it up. Right, let's go. Nice and quick.
Nice, Barry. Looking great. Nice, Jack.
Open up.
Yeah, great. Oh, that's pass. Oh, yeah, it's all in the pass. Yeah, it wasn't in my run. See how that was in your run? Oh, no, I'll do what English. Yeah, that's it. It's on the wrong side. Oh, Sophie! Nice, Joe. Come on, Trevor, back Liverpool! Touch out of there. Here we are.
Detail of your body shape. Which hand are you touching with? Oh,
Yes, that's it, Haz.
Yes, your choice, Papa. Come on, take it in. Yes. I like it. Was it like, was he going?
Yes, cock.
Yes, second.
Teague, brilliant. Well done. Really good. Finish.
Yes, second. Second. Yes.
Good. Nice. Great ball.
Yes, second.
Touch. Hit. Hold the edge of the box, Carl. For the cut back. Yes,
That went for you, it's fine.
in the box. Finish.
Yes.
Good.
Stay. Good. Challenge.